Today's video is brought to you by Shine Armor. I'm gonna be showing you guys the product that they sent me out. They sent me out the crisp ceramic glass cleaner. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put that on your car or whatever else you guys end up wanting from them. But basically they reached out to me and they wanted to work with me, so they offered me the position of being sponsored by them basically. So if you guys want to use code GFP20 to save 20% on your whole order, that would mean a lot to me. All right guys, so as you can see, my windshield is dirty. Might be a little hard to catch on camera, but the V is right there from the dirt. So basically my car's windows have no ceramic or cleaner on them right now, but Vinny is gonna throw some water at it to show you guys how it looks with water on it. All right, Vin, you could throw some on there.
Oh fuck, wait.
The hose doesn't reach, but as you can see, it just stays on there really. All right, so now we're gonna apply some of that ceramic and glass cleaner to see the difference. This is it now, just chilling on there. Booty. All right guys, so I'm just gonna apply some. Smells good. And if you guys are judging me right now on my glass cleaning skills, please don't play me. I know I'm not the best. I definitely recommend check out shinearmor.com and get whatever you guys gotta get for your car to keep it nice and clean. I'm telling you guys, this shit's legit.
Don't miss out, guys.
It's official, guys. Check out shinearmor.com. Get what you gotta get. Use code GFP20 and get yourselves right and help me get right too. I love you guys. Thank you for checking it out. I just wanted to show you guys like how clear it is in here. And the water just like doesn't even stick anymore. Like it's just like beating off. Like it doesn't want to be on the windshield or anything like that. This is really good stuff, guys. You should really go to shinearmor.com.